Hello, teacher. I'm Lee. Today I talk about first daily life and personal preference. I'm currently a student, so most of my time is spent studying and at home. Every day I attend class, listen to my teacher, and complete my homework. Sometimes studying can be stressful, especially during exam periods. But I still enjoy learning new knowledge and improving, improving my skills. I believe that studying play an important role in shaping my future and helping achieve my goal. When it comes to meals, I usually eat at home because the food is healthy and suitable for my taste. Home cooked meals and not only cleaner but also more nutritious. However, eating at home gives me a chance to spend quality time with my family. However, when I am busy or with friends, I sometimes eat at small local restaurants or street food stores are convenient and affordable. For birthday, I, pref- I prefer celebrating with my family and close friends rather than being alone. I don't like big or noisy party. A simple celebration with a small cake, some delicious food, and meaningful conversation is enough for me. Being surrounded by people I love makes my birthday more special and memorable. Weekend, I usually make simple plan in advance. I often arrange time to finish homework, relax, and meet friends. Sometimes I watch movie, listen to music, or have my family with now. House too. Sure, planning help me plan to keep my still relaxable, so I can enjoy my free time comfortable. In my country, snacks are extremely popular, especially among young people. Some common snacks include fried food, grilled, grilled and sweet cake. These snacks are cheap, tasty, and easy to find, especially near school and busy streets. Snacking has become a part of daily life and a way for people to relax and socialize with friends. By this